Welcome to part 6 of how to make money online for free. Today is a massive bonus. I'm going to give you a free sales funnel. In the email, there is 3 text documents. 3 text documents in the email. They are important for today's tutorial. So let's share my screen. I'm going to give you this web page. Don't worry, it's going to be very, very simple. You're going to have all of this. So when somebody clicks free funnels, click here. It pops out a new page and they sign up for free. And your name is just below there as the referrer. It won't be my name, it will be your name because you will be using your affiliate, your shortened affiliate link. Okay, so, and also the lifetime access now, the upgrade page. Very easy. Okay, I'm going to give you all this. So that's your dashboard. Have that handy. And your 3 text documents I sent you. There's the home page, free funnels, and upgrade. We're going to start with the home page. So in Groove, you're going to click Groove Pages, left click Groove Pages. You're going to the right hand side, you click New Site. And then you go to blank template, you left click blank template. You're then going to go up here and click on the code button. It may give you a warning and say danger, but just say ignore and go to edit source code. Right, you have a black screen like this. In your email, the text document that says how to make money homepage, double click on it, how to make money homepage. Highlight something by double left clicking on it, then right click, select all, then right click, copy. Okay, now back to Groove Funnels, right click, paste. Go to save, press save. There you go, there's my home page, but please change my image. It's very easy to change the image. You just left click on it, you go to configure and you choose an image, upload an image, but that's my image. Please change it because you are not me, but if you promote me, that's fraud, so please change the image. Right, what we need to do now, we need to add a page, a blank canvas. Left click blank canvas. Over to code, left click for code. Back to your email for the text documents. We're going to do the free funnels. You open up the document. You double left click to highlight something. You right click to select all, you right click to copy, then you go back to Groove Funnels, you right click, you paste, you save, right, then you're going to go to pages again, you're going to add a page. Again, this is your 3rd page. Blank canvas. We're going to go to code. Left click on code. Back to your email text document. Now the upgrade page. Open that document. Highlight something. Right click. Select all. Right click. Copy. Back to your Groove account. Right click. Paste. Click save. Okay, so that's your upgrade page. So you don't forget, we're going to rename these pages. Where the three dots are, you left click, you go down to rename, and you just call it for call it upgrade. So delete that, upgrade. That's, and press enter. Now this one, you go to rename, and this is for the free funnels. So we could call it free funnels, just like that. Very good. Right, so now we have 3 pages. But what you need to do, oh, I didn't say. It does, yes, we need to make sure that saves. Okay, upgrade page. I think we got to press tick. I forgot to press tick. There you go, even I make a mistake. Rename, that was free funnels, wasn't it? Doesn't matter what you call them really, but it's good for you to know. Okay, now we drag the upgrade page under here and grab that page under here. So the only one that is red now is home. The upgrade page and the funnels page are hidden. So only people can see the home page. Okay, we're on the home page now. This is how you can navigate between pages up the top. So that takes you to your free funnels page. I've called it funnel funnels. That's funny. Why did I call it funnel funnels? Should have called that free funnels. There you go. Your upgrade page, your home page, your free funnels page, and your upgrade page. Okay, right. What you need to do is go to your home page, click on where it says free funnels, click here, left click on it, click on configure, link to a page, and it's open up in a new tab. The link page is your free funnels page. Click update. Like magic, but you've got now to change the text on here. So get your free, you could say websites or funnels. Let's call it funnels. Your free funnels. Yeah. And you update. Get your free funnels here. Now, when somebody clicks on get your free funnels here, it opens up in a new tab the link to the correct page. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to scroll down to where it says get lifetime access. Left click on it, go to configure. You want to link to a page. The linked page is the upgrade page. Left click on that. You want to open up in a new, and we want it to say exactly what it says on there now. Get lifetime access. Update. And that's you finished. What you do now, close all this down, is you go to publish up here and click on host your site with us, and you choose a name. You can call it what you like. Call it your own name. I go for, funnel fun. Just put funnel fun. and put publish. If that name's available, and it is. Content saved. Now it says wait a few minutes, but may take longer. To check it, we can click on up here where it's highlighted, and if the page loads, there you have it. You have everything. There's your website. Get free funnels here. Everything works. Yep, everything's good. So that's you done. That's your free funnel. Go back to here. So that's now, yeah, it's published to the internet already. It was that quick. But like I said, please change this image. Go to configure, choose an image. There's many images here, or you can upload an image. It's up to you what you do, where you get your image from. But please make it your own. You are not me. So just change that. Okay, that's everything done. That's your free, so that's your, let's click on it again. That's your free funnel website. So if you double click on that, there it is. Copy. And that's now your free website, your free funnel online for free. Isn't that amazing? And you can send people to this website by using that. If I right click and copy, by using that is your website address. That's my website address, but I'm going to delete it. So you could have Funnel Fun if you wanted, but that, if you give people that and they copy and paste it and put it into a URL, press enter, they go to your page. And when they click on get free funnels or upgrade, it will be your affiliate link associated with it, not mine. So just remember that. Yeah, get lifetime access. Enter your.
Hi, I'm Michael Same. I'm the co-founder of GrooveFunnels.
Okay, I think that's correct. Let me make sure one thing. Yes, that will all be for you. Okay, that's you done and dusted. Well done. That was a good lesson. That was a massive bonus. I hope you really enjoyed that. And in part 7, I will show you how to start promoting your website and start promoting your affiliate link. Wow, what a fantastic lesson. Well, hey, if I'm adding value, please let me know. And like I've asked in the email, can you go to you can start sending people through your affiliate link to sign up and then send them to my YouTube video, and they can start making money for free the same as you. So send people to my YouTube video and get them to watch my introduction video, and then they will get the same free training you are getting, and they can start making money also. Okay, see you in part 7. Goodbye.